AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It is a branch of computer science that aims to develop intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, problem-solving, and language understanding. AI systems rely on algorithms and mathematical models to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, make predictions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. These systems often employ techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to emulate human-like cognitive abilities. There are two types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain, such as voice assistants, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. General AI, on the other hand, refers to AI systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across multiple domains, exhibiting human-level intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. It offers opportunities to automate mundane tasks, enhance decision-making processes, improve efficiency, and create innovative solutions to complex problems. However, it is important to note that AI also raises ethical and societal concerns, such as privacy, bias, and job displacement. Ongoing research and development in AI aim to address these challenges while harnessing the benefits of this transformative technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, in the 20th century witnessed significant advancements and laid the groundwork for the development of modern AI technologies. Here are some key milestones and developments during that time. Early AI research, 1950s 1960s. The birth of AI as a field can be traced back to the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. AI pioneers, including Alan Newell, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Herbert Simon, made notable contributions to AI research, laying the foundation for future advancements. Early AI systems focused on tasks such as game playing, logical reasoning, and language translation. Expert systems, 1970s 1980s. Expert systems were a prominent AI technology during this period. These systems used knowledge-based rules to solve complex problems in specific domains. MYCIN, developed in the 1970s, was a notable expert system that provided diagnostic advice for bacterial infections. Rule-based programming languages, such as Prolog, emerged as a means to build expert systems. Machine learning and neural networks, 1950s 1990s. Machine learning, a subfield of AI, started to gain traction. Early techniques, such as perceptrons and the backpropagation algorithm, were developed. Neural networks, inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, received significant attention. The perceptron, developed by Frank Rosenblatt in the 1950s, laid the foundation for neural network research. However, progress in neural networks slowed down due to limitations in computing power and the lack of sufficient data. AI applications and commercialization. In the late 1990s, AI applications began to emerge in industries such as finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. For example, autonomous systems were developed for industrial automation and robotic assembly lines. Speech recognition technology, like IBM's Deep Blue, defeating chess world champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, demonstrated the capabilities of AI in complex tasks. Natural language processing. In the latter half of the 20th century, significant progress was made in natural language processing, NLP. Researchers focused on understanding and generating human language. Systems like ELIZA 1966 and SHRDLU 1970 showcased early attempts at NLP and dialogue systems. It is important to note that while AI research and development made substantial progress during the 20th century, the true explosion and widespread adoption of AI occurred in the 21st century with the advent of big data, improved computing power, and advancements in algorithms such as deep learning. These developments have enabled AI to achieve unprecedented breakthroughs and drive transformative applications in various fields. Artificial intelligence, AI, in the 21st century has witnessed exponential growth, breakthroughs, and widespread adoption. The increased availability of big data, advancements in computing power, and innovative algorithms have propelled AI to new heights. Here are some key developments in AI during this century. Deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, has revolutionized AI. It involves training deep neural networks with multiple layers to learn and extract intricate patterns from data. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, have achieved remarkable success in image recognition tasks, leading to advancements in areas such as computer vision, object detection, and self-driving cars. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and their variants, such as long short-term memory, LSTM, have greatly improved natural language processing tasks, including machine translation, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. Big data and AI. The proliferation of digital data in the 21st century has provided a wealth of information for AI systems to learn from. AI algorithms, powered by big data, have been applied to various domains, including healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and social media, enabling better insights, personalized recommendations, and predictive analytics. AI-assisted applications. Virtual assistants, such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistant, have become ubiquitous, using natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user queries. AI-driven recommendation systems have transformed industries like e-commerce, entertainment, and content streaming. By providing personalized suggestions based on user preferences and behavior. Autonomous vehicles. AI has played a significant role in the development of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have made strides in self-driving technology, leveraging AI for perception, decision-making, and navigation. Reinforcement learning and game playing. Reinforcement learning algorithms, combined with deep neural networks, have demonstrated impressive capabilities in mastering complex games. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeated the world champion in the ancient game of Go, showcasing the power of AI in strategic decision-making. AI ethics and responsible AI. As AI has advanced, concerns around ethics, transparency, and bias have gained prominence. Efforts are underway to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI systems, addressing issues of fairness, accountability, and interpretability. Emerging AI technologies. AI continues to evolve with emerging technologies such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, for generating realistic images, natural language generation (NLG) for automated content creation, and reinforcement learning for robotics and control systems. The 21st century has witnessed remarkable progress in AI, with its applications permeating various aspects of society. As research and development continue, AI is expected to drive further innovations, transforming industries, healthcare, transportation, and the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence, AI, holds tremendous potential for the future and is expected to shape various aspects of our lives. Here are some key trends and possibilities for AI in the future. Continued advancements in deep learning. Deep learning, powered by neural networks, will continue to advance, enabling AI systems to become even more proficient in understanding and processing complex data, such as images, speech, and natural language. Improvements in architectures, algorithms, and computing power will lead to breakthroughs in areas like unsupervised learning, transfer learning, and lifelong learning. Expansion of AI applications. AI will permeate diverse industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. It will enable personalized medicine, enhance financial decision-making, optimize logistics and supply chains, and revolutionize media and content creation. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots will become more sophisticated, offering personalized and context-aware interactions across various platforms and devices. Ethical and responsible AI. The ethical implications of AI will become increasingly important. There will be a focus on ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems, as well as addressing bias and promoting diversity. AI governance frameworks and regulations will emerge to guide the development and deployment of AI technologies, balancing innovation with ethical considerations. Human-machine collaboration. The future will see greater collaboration between humans and AI systems. AI will augment human capabilities, allowing us to work more efficiently, make better decisions, and solve complex problems. Human-AI collaboration will be essential in areas like scientific research, creative endeavors, and strategic planning, where humans' cognitive abilities combined with AI's computational power can lead to unprecedented advancements. AI in robotics and autonomous systems. AI will play a vital role in robotics and autonomous systems. From self-driving cars and delivery drones to industrial robots and healthcare assistants, AI-powered machines will become more capable of perception, decision-making, and interaction with the physical world. Intelligent robots and cobots, collaborative robots, will work alongside humans in manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and other industries, enhancing productivity and safety. AI for social good. AI will be leveraged to address global challenges and promote social good. It will be used in areas like climate modeling, disaster response, poverty alleviation, and healthcare accessibility. AI can contribute to sustainable development by optimizing resource allocation, improving disaster preparedness, and advancing healthcare outcomes, especially in underserved regions. In summary, the meaning of AI encompasses the development of intelligent machines that can replicate human-like cognitive abilities, automate tasks, and provide solutions to complex problems across various domains. It has the potential to transform industries, improve efficiency, and raise ethical considerations that require careful attention and regulation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to find out more useful and interesting information. Write in the comments what topics you would like us to cover in the next video. Bye everyone.